So, do you want to know the first beluga sanctuary in the world? Or perhaps come to meet the puffins? Or just come to my favorite place in the whole Iceland, Vestmanneyjar Island.
Hello, my name is Beggi and I am here from Vestmanneyjar. Yeah, what can I say? You see, Vestmanneyjar is 2 hours from Reykjavik, so it's not far away. In Vestmanneyjar is 14 islands, and just in Heimaey people lives. In the other islands just the birds lives. It's amazing to hike up some mountains, volcanoes or other mountains in the midnight. You can look over to the mainland, have a great view over the island, and the sunset is coming down. And in my head I have so many pictures about this moment when the sunset is. Just few people knows about the eruption 1973. Hundreds of houses went under the lava. So here is an incredible story to talk about. And the lava was almost coming to the harbor, so everybody was afraid about the lava will close the harbor. So if you have no harbor in the island, you can quit to stay here. After the eruption, the island was much bigger because we got a new lava. The new lava went over the houses, so the people in the town need to move to the west coast of the island and make a new houses, new blocks. Today you can walk on this place. We open a new museum. That name is Volcano Museum. We call this project Pompeii of the North. So if you come to Vestmanneyjar, to Heimaey, you can watch, for example, one house was under the ash, and look, how was it? How is the house today? Yeah, almost 50 years later. We have a great famous festival here in the island, around 18,000 guests. So you can think about it, regularly lives here 4,000 people. So it's a crazy party here. In the springtime the puffin came here. We have of course millions of puffins. So we quit to hunting the puffins, and step by step he is almost coming back. We have thousands of little puffin, we call it pufflings. They fly from the mountains to the town. From the first day we think about to have a great personal service. Beggi blind. easily can show my guests about everything in Ireland because my map of the island is here in my head. Tell them stop here and look to right or left or something like that. And tell them about the stories of puffins, of course, and Free Willy. Free Willy was here at 1998, he came. So here in Ireland is lots of things to do, lots of things to think about. Lots of people has asked me, how can blind men open a hostel? How can blind men serve in a restaurant? How can blind men have a microphone in a bus and be a guide? Yeah, if you have a dream, do it. Not think about, I not can do it. It's always best for you to think about what can I do and quit to think about what can I not can do.
Stay conscious and be cosmos.